Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography to secure transactions and control new unit creation. Bitcoin, introduced in 2009, was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Today, thousands of cryptocurrencies exist, each with their unique features. These digital assets promise a future of secure, decentralized financial transactions. In the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, a new idea emerged. An anonymous entity called Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper. This innovative document proposed a decentralized digital currency called Bitcoin. In January 2009, the Bitcoin network was born with the mining of the Genesis block. Bitcoin introduced the world to blockchain technology, paving the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies. To understand how cryptocurrencies work, we must first delve into blockchain technology. A blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger where transactions are recorded chronologically and publicly. Once a block is filled with transactions, it's added to the chain, hence the term blockchain. This ensures all transactions are transparent and resistant to change or fraud. In essence, cryptocurrencies leverage blockchain to gain decentralization, transparency, and security. As Bitcoin paved the way, a plethora of digital currencies known as altcoins emerged. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, aim to improve upon or diversify the functionality of Bitcoin. Examples include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, each offering unique features and use cases. These altcoins have gained substantial traction, further expanding the crypto market. The rise of altcoins demonstrates the potential for innovation and diversity in the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are reshaping the global economy, reducing the role of traditional institutions. They facilitate faster, cheaper transactions across borders, bypassing banking fees. With blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies offer transparency and traceability. They allow for financial inclusion, providing services to the unbanked populations. Yet, cryptocurrencies come with risks, such as volatility and regulatory challenges. Addressing these risks is key to fully unlock the potential of digital currencies. In the world of tomorrow, digital currencies could redefine financial transactions. They promise seamless transactions, decreased reliance on traditional banks, and fostering financial inclusion. However, challenges persist, such as regulatory uncertainties, energy consumption, and security concerns. Despite these, the global acceptance and integration of digital currencies is on the rise. The final question remains: will digital currencies unlock a new era of global finance, or will they be just another experiment? As we wrap up, cryptocurrencies stand at the brink of a revolution. They challenge traditional financial systems, promising a future of decentralized peer-to-peer transactions. While risks remain, the potential rewards are immense. The crypto revolution isn't coming, it's here, and it's unlocking the future of digital currency.